Hi guys, this is Coach Velia and I have another video for you. We're going to talk about the Family Essentials Kit. It used to be called the Family Physicians Kit, but they've since changed the name. This is one of our most popular actual kits to purchase when enrolling as a doTERRA Wellness Advocate, because some people are, I'm not too sure about it. Let me go ahead and get this kit. So it does include let me see, it has 10 oils in there, and you also get the added bonus of peppermint beetlets and on guard beetlets, and we're going to talk more about what they are and how good they are for you and how they're super convenient to carry around while still providing the benefits that you really love. So here's the kit right here. They've since changed the name. It's called Family Essentials, and they actually come with a whole bunch of little oils. So here's the catch. Well, first of all, let's talk about the price. So retail is $200, wholesale is $150. You kind of get a fun little discount when you actually enroll as a wholesale or an actual distributor with doTERRA. So let's talk a little more about the oils. The oils in here are lavender, lemon, peppermint. We have melaleuca, oregano, frankincense, deep blue, doTERRA, the Breathe blend, Digest and On Guard, which is the immunity boost blend. And I'll give you a little more information on each one of these. Here's where I don't know if you want to call it a catch or what the problem, not the problem. They've called it problem, because let me tell you why. So when you enroll with this kit, right, when you purchase this kit, the bottles are 5 mils. And again, it's $150 for wholesale when you purchase this, $200 when you first purchase, and then you get a discount. Our bottles, regular size, are 15 mil. So you get 3 times more in this little bottle than you do in this one. So the reason why I say it's a problem is because a lot of people that get this kit, they fall in love with the oils and say, I should have got the bigger kit. The bigger kit just means, I think it's like about $100 difference, and you actually get 3 times more of each of the oils. And this is why I want to share that with you now. So then you say, I didn't tell you later. You can't say I didn't tell you later, but we're going to talk about each one of these oils. This is a really amazing kit to start with because you don't spend too much money, yet you get to experience the many benefits that these oils do provide for our body. So let's talk about Breathe. Breathe is a respiratory blend, really good for anybody who's having respiratory issues. A lot of people just need to open up the airway. So Breathe is one of those that we highly recommend for those that are having any type of respiratory issues. Deep Blue is also featured in this wonderful kit, and Deep Blue is considered our soothing blend. And the soothing blend, any achy muscles, any achy anything, it's really good. You just put one drop of these oils go a really long way, and you can actually dilute them with fractionated coconut oil or any oil you have laying around at home, just to kind of make sure there aren't any skin issues or irritations when you're first starting out. So this is really good for anybody who has maybe arthritis, just aches and pains. It's really good for athletes that are in there torturing their muscles and working out. Really good soothing blend, provides a whole lot of comfort. On Guard is our immune booster. On Guard is also featured in this kit, and it's really good. You can put it in your water, you can put it under your tongue. Some people just put it on their wrist, they can put it on the back of their neck. Really good stuff to help boost your immune system. I have a lot of individuals that are surrounded by a lot of dust in their environment, so they've noticed that they get like sneeze attacks and things of that nature. They help boost their immune system with the On Guard and have provided a whole bunch of awesome feedback with this oil. This is the first oil I was introduced to, and I diffuse it all the time at home to make sure I keep all the germs down and to provide the best possible help I can for my immune system. Next one in this kit is lemon, and lemon is a detoxifier. So I take lemon every single morning in my water. I put 2 to 3, almost 5 drops every day, depending. We start slow in my water to help with the detoxing process. Also really good to clean your furniture. It's a mood enhancer. It helps with insomnia, a whole bunch of